This is the Quelluxe Extra Thick End Grain Cutting Board, measuring 20 by 15 inches and 1.7 inches thick, made from American black walnut. What matters most here is the construction. End grain boards are designed to absorb impact. Instead of fighting your knife edge, the wood fibers part and recover. That helps maintain sharpness over time and reduces unnecessary wear. The thickness makes a real difference in daily use. This board stays planted on the counter. There is no flex and no sliding, even when you are working quickly or breaking down heavier ingredients. It works well as a primary prep board and transitions cleanly to serving, especially for large cuts of meat or charcuterie. The juice groove is subtle but functional. It catches runoff without taking away usable surface area. This is not considered a decorative board, but looks great on any counter space. The best part, it is built for real cooking, chopping, slicing, meat prep, everyday use. Like any quality end grain board, regular oiling is important. Keeping the wood conditioned helps prevent drying and cracking, maintains stability, and extends the life of the board. If you cook regularly and want a board that treats your knives well, stays solid on the counter, and does not feel disposable, this is the kind of board you buy once and use for years. This is Chef Riley with On the Road Eats Company.
This is the road. This is the journey. This is On the Road Eats. Forged in fire, fueled by flavor.